Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome to NOF Science Champions League Class 2. In this video, we'll solve sample paper 1 together. Listen carefully to each question and understand the explanations properly. So let's begin with the question number 1. So this is our question number 1. Which of these plants do humans eat as vegetables? A. Rose and daisy, B. Pine and lettuce, C. Corn and rose, and D. Lettuce and carrot. The correct answer is option D. Vegetables are parts of plants that we eat for food. Lettuce and carrots are commonly eaten as vegetables. Rose and daisy are flowers, not vegetables. Pine is a tree and not eaten as a vegetable. So the correct answer is lettuce and carrot. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Select the mismatched pair. A. Rose has a bushy stem, B. Jasmine has a tender stem, and C. Banyan has a hard and thick stem, and D. Pumpkin has a weak stem. So the mismatched pair is option B. Why? Because jasmine is actually a climber with weak stem. It does not have a tender stem like herbs. Rose has a bushy stem and banyan has a thick stem. Pumpkin has a weak stem and spreads on the ground. So all the three are matched with the correct pair, but jasmine with tender stem is the mismatched pair. The next question is question number 3. Which group of plants is mismatched based on their characteristics? A. Grass, mint, tulsi as herbs, B. Mango, neem, banyan as trees, C. Watermelon, pumpkin and rose as creepers, and D. Lotus, hydrilla, water lily as aquatic plants. The mismatched pair is option C. Why? Because watermelon and pumpkin are creepers and rose is a shrub, not a creeper. The other groups are correctly matched, so the incorrect and mismatched pair is option C. That is watermelon, pumpkin and rose are creepers. Our next question is question number 4. Pick the correct label. So A is to leaf, D is to stem, C is to bud, and D, E is to root. So the correct is option D, because here we can see E, which is going to roots. This part is called roots. D, this part, C, leaves, B, flower, and A, fruit. This is all wrong. The correct option is option D, that is E to roots. The next question is question number 5. Identify the odd one out based on what these animals eat. Group 1, cow, lion and tiger, and group B, butterfly, honeybee and hen. So option A says group 1 eats cow, group B says honeybee, option B says group 1 is tiger, group 2 is hen, C group 1 says lion and group 2 says butterfly, group D says option D says group 1 is cow and group 2 is hen. So the correct answer is option D. Why? Because cow is a herbivore while lion and tiger are carnivores, and hen eats both plants and animals, so it is omnivore. In both groups, cow and hen do not match others, hence option D is correct. The next question is question number 6. Choose the correct statement. A. All wild animals eat plants. B. Omnivorous eat both plants and animals. C. Insects are larger than mammals. And D. Domestic animals live in the jungle. The correct answer is option B. Omnivorous eat both plant food and animal food. Humans and bears are example of omnivorous. Not all wild animals eat plants, and domestic animals live with humans, not in jungles. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is question number 7. Which insect is known for making honey? A. Ant, B. Butterfly, C. Bee, and D. Grasshopper. The correct answer is option B. Bees collect nectar from flowers. They convert nectar into honey. Honey is stored in honeycombs, and other insects do not make honey. So the correct answer is option C, that is B. Question number 8. Complete the analogy. Eagle is to sky as frog is to dash. A. Tree, B. River, C. Desert, and D. Mountain. The correct answer is option B, that is river. Eagle lives and flies in the sky. Frog lives in water bodies like ponds and rivers. So this question is based on living places. So frog is related to river. Hence option B is correct. Our next question is question number 9. Our brain is an important body part because A. It pumps blood, B. It digests food, C. It controls body, and D. It feels. The correct answer is option C. The brain controls all activities of our body. It helps us think, move, and react. Heart pumps blood and stomach digests food, and skin helps us feel. So option C is correct, that brain controls our body. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 10. Choose an activity that keeps your organs healthy. Option A, we can see a boy yelling at a girl. In option B, we can see a boy chilling and using a tablet. In option C, we can see a boy riding a bicycle. And in option D, we can see two people yelling at each other. So the correct answer is option C. Why? Because cycling is a physical activity. Physical activities keeps your body and mind healthy. So it also keeps your organs healthy. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is question number 11. Choose the odd one out. Option A is an image of stomach. Option B is an image of ears. And option C is an image of hands. And option D is an image of eyes. So the odd one out is option A. Why? Because ears, hands, and eyes are visible parts of our body, and stomach is not visible part. It is inside our body. So the correct option is option A. Next question is question number 12. Match the organ to its function. So let's have a look at the column. Column A says heart, lungs, and stomach, and column B says digest food, control body, and breathe air. So the task of heart is to control body, the task of lungs is to breathe air, and the task of stomach is to digest food. So 1B, so we'll find 1B, this is 1B, second to C, so second to C, and the third stomach is to A, so third is to A. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 13. Ria eats a bowl full of fruits and vegetables, and she is eating dash. A. Energy giving food, B. Bodybuilding food, C. Protective food, and D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option C, that is protective food. Fruits and vegetables protect us from diseases. They contain vitamins and minerals. They do not mainly give energy or build body, so they are protective foods, not energy giving or bodybuilding foods. Hence option C is correct. Our next question is question number 14. Choose the correct table manner. Option A, we can see a family praying before eating. Option B, we can see a family eating junk food and moving here and there. In option C, we can see two people eating and playing. And in option D, we can see a boy spilling his food. So the correct answer is option A. Good table manners show discipline. They help keep us clean and healthy. The picture in option A shows correct behavior. Other option shows bad manners. So option A is correct. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 15. Which food item is not a source of energy? A. Salt, B. Rice, C. Sugar, and D. Bread. The correct answer is option A. Rice, sugar, and bread give energy. Salt does not give energy. It is needed only in small amounts. So salt is not an energy giving food. Hence option A is correct. Next question is question number 16. Which of these food habits is unhealthy? A. Food kept in a lid. B. A boy eating junk food. Option C. A boy drinking milk. And D. We can see a boy eating watermelon. So in these, the habit that is unhealthy is option B, because we should not eat junk foods. We should eat healthy foods and healthy drinks like milk, watermelon, and chicken. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 17. Which of these houses is odd one out based on its ability to move? A. We can see a hut. B. We can see a stile. C. We can see a caravan. And D. We can see an igloo. So the correct is option C. Some houses can move like caravans. Permanent houses cannot move. Option C shows a moving caravan. So the correct answer is option C. The next question is question number 18. Which action keeps clothes fresh and prevents odor? A. Hanging clothes in the sun. B. Ironing without drying. C. Washing clothes only. D. Leaving clothes in the basket. The correct answer is option A. Sunlight kills germs and removes smell. Drying clothes properly keeps them fresh, and wet clothes can smell bad. So option A is correct. Our next question is question number 19. Which clothes are suitable for rainy season? A. We can see a sweater. B. We can see a cute dress. Option C. We can see a raincoat, boots, and umbrella. And option D says all of these. So the correct answer is option C. Raincoat, umbrella, and boots. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 20. Match the house type to its feature. So let's have a look at the tables. Column A says tent, igloo, and houseboat, and column B says floats on water, B temporary, and C made of ice. So tent is a temporary house, igloo is made of ice, and houseboat floats on water. So 1 to B. So let's find 1 to B, igloo to C, 2 to C, so 2 to C, and 3 to A, and 3 to A. So correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 21. Guru Purab is celebrated by prayers at dash and servings dash. A says church and sweets, B says Gurudwara and langar, C says temple and prasad, and D says mosque and sevaiya. The correct answer is option B. Guru Purab is a Sikh festival. It is celebrated in Gurudwara, and langar is served to everyone after celebrating. So option B is correct. Our next question is question number 22. If your family tree starts with your grandparents, you are A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, or D. Fourth generation. The correct answer is option C. Grandparents are the first generation, your parents are the second generation, and your parents' children's, that are you, children's, become the third generation. So the correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 23. What type of family has more than 3 generations living together? A. Foster family, B. Joint family, C. Nuclear family, and D. Single parent family. The correct answer is option B. Joint families live together. They include grandparents, parents, and children. Nuclear family is small. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 24. Why is family important? A. We feel safe in a family. B. parents take care of us. C. Elders and family guide us. And D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. Family provides love and care, parents protect us, and elders guide us. So the correct answer is option D. That means all the three statements are true. Our next question is question number 25th. Ravi and his friends play in a park with a pond nearby. What should they do to stay safe? A. Play close to the pond. B. Swim in the pond. C. Avoid going near the pond. And D. Throw stones in the pond. The correct answer is option C. Ponds can be dangerous. Children may slip and fall. So safety is very important. So children should avoid going near the pond. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 26th. Choose the incorrect statement. A. We can take candies from a stranger. B. It is fun to jump on chairs. C. It is safe to use matchsticks. D. Red light says stop. The correct answer is option A, which is incorrect. We can take candies from stranger. We should never take things from strangers. It is unsafe. And other option shows correct safety rules. So option A is incorrect. That means our correct answer is option A. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 27th. Which of these is the best morning habit? A. Watching television. B. Brushing teeth. C. Eating chocolates. And D. Playing with our mobiles and tablets. The correct answer is option B. Good morning habits keep us healthy. Waking up early and brushing teeth is good. And option B shows good habit. So option B is correct. Our next question is question number 28. After playing outside, Ria's hands are dirty. What should she do before eating? A. Eat with dirty hands. B. Use a napkin. C. Wipe her hands on her dress. D. Wash her hands with soap and water. The correct answer is option D. Dirty hands carry germs. Washing with soap removes germs, so it prevents us from diseases. So option D is correct. Washing her hands with soap and water. Next question is question number 29th. Water is to drinking and air is to dash. A. Bathing. B. Swimming. C. Breathing. And D. Cleaning. The correct analogy is option C. We drink water and we breathe air. So both are necessary for life and this analogy is correct. So option C is correct. Our next question is question number 30. Identify the activity that pollute air. A. Hanging clothes. B. Moving in a car that is polluting the environment. Option C says flying a kite and option D says planting a plant, watering a plant. So here the activity that pollutes air is option B because smoke pollutes air. Polluted air is harmful to health. So option B shows air pollution. So the correct answer is option B. Next question is question number 31. All dash needs air. A. Books. B. Toys. C. Animals. And D. Chairs. The correct answer is option C. Animals breathe air and without air they cannot survive. So non-living things do not need air. Books, toys and chairs are non-living things and animals are living things. So the correct answer is option C. Next question is question number 32. Which of these activities pollute air? A. Burning wood. B. Gardening. C. Cleaning house. And D. Cutting vegetables. The correct answer is option A. Burning wood releases smoke and smoke pollutes air. Other activities do not pollute air. So option A is correct. The next question is question number 33. Which of these is not a natural source of water? A. River. B. Dam. C. Pond. And D. Lake. The correct answer is option D. River, pond and lake are natural. Dam is made by humans. So dam is not natural. Hence option B is correct. Our next question is question number 34. Identify the use of coal. So option A, we can see a boy holding a blackboard. Option B, we can see a statue. Option C, we can see some rock sort of thing that is burning. And in option D, we can see a man painting the wall. So the correct answer is option C. Coal is used as a fuel. It helps in cooking and generating electricity, and it can also be burned. The option C shows the image that is burning of a coal. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 35th. Water is needed by A. Plants, B. Animals, C. Humans, and D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. All living things need water. Plants need water to grow, and animals and human needs water to survive. So option D is correct. Next question is question number 36th. People throw garbage in the pond in Pixie's village. What should Pixie do? A. Ignore it. B. Throw garbage in the pond. C. Stop them. D. Do not make garbage. The correct answer is option C. Throwing garbage pollutes water. It harms animals and people. We should stop such activities. So option C is correct. Pixie should stop them. Our next question is question number 37. We can see in the light. We get the light from dash during the day. A. Sun, B. Stars, C. Moon, and D. Planets. The correct answer is option A. The sun is the main source of light. It gives light during daytime. Stars are seen at night. So the correct answer is option A, that is sun. Our next question is question number 38. Earth is to planets as sun is to dash. A. Star, B. Satellite, C. Phase, and D. Clouds. The correct answer is option A, that is star. Earth is a planet and sun is a star. This is a relationship question and analogy. So option A is correct. Our next question is question number 39. Identify the dwarf planet. A. Mercury, B. Jupiter, C. Pluto, and D. Venus. So the correct answer is option C. Pluto is no longer a planet. It is now known as dwarf planet. Other options are planets, Mercury, Jupiter, and Venus. But Pluto is a dwarf planet. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move on to our last question, that is question number 40. What is the blue color in the picture? A. Water, B. Forests, C. Land, and D. Hills. So the correct answer is option A, that is water. On maps and globes, blue shows water, and in this image also, this blue thing is water. Oceans and seas are also blue, and this green rays are land and forests. So the correct answer is option A. So students, well done. You have completed sample paper 1, and keep practicing and stay confident. See you in the next sample paper. Till then, all the best.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.